Today's video is mostly going to be about light reflections and how we can use that in our pictures or in our videos to kind of just like spice it up a little more. First of all, there are many different ways you can achieve shots with some type of reflection in it, but in this case I'm only going to be using two different things. I'm going to be using a prism, which you can go ahead and order on Amazon for about like $15 or something like that. But if you're like, you know what, Kevo, I don't want to wait. I don't want to order something online and let it come like 2 days later or something like that. Well, this is what I did to fix that problem for myself. I went ahead to the Dollar Tree and I bought myself 3 little packs of, I think it's a cake cutting or cake serving tool. I went ahead and modified these 3 little things to kind of build my own little prism to get some cool reflections inside of that. And I'll show you those shots and how those come out. And I'm super excited to show you guys. I went ahead and created my own little prism to kind of get some more like if you're within the reflections of the shot, and I really like how those shots came out. I'm really proud of myself for them, and it's something that I saw some other YouTuber do. But for now, what I think got my creativity going more, and it got me thinking of many other things that I could do creatively using either for my photography or for my videography, is that light prism, guys. I really encourage you, if you have some money to spare, go ahead and invest in one of those. You will not regret it. Me and my wife were shooting this band the other day. There were some shots that were kind of really simple of how those came out. All right, here comes the train. Wow, that's loud. Yeah, it's pretty loud. So there were some shots that were pretty simple, including the drummer was playing at a moment by himself, and I went ahead and used that prism to kind of like incorporate the other 2 band members into the shot, which made it more, I don't know, it added like some weird 3D effect thanks to the lighting that was going on, which I believe takes a big part in using a prism, the type of lights you have around you. So the more lights, the more reflections, or the more interesting reflections you have, because you can get reflections of like someone's face like being like a double, like one here and then one over here, and that's pretty cool and all. But once you start introducing lights to these shots, I really think they make them come to life even more. You have more going on, and it gives you more of an artistic feel, which I feel is more trending right now. It's kind of like the more neon shots and like the Brandon Wolfeld type of edits and stuff like that. And I think those two really go hand in hand, and it's something beautiful to see, and it can really spike up your creativity. I just fell in love, and I'm speechless how these shots came out. And in the end, like it's just so exciting to be taking this photo challenge journey to get some cool ass shots. So that's it for today's photo challenge, guys. As you guys saw, it only took 2 tools to get these nice pictures in this cool video. As you guys saw, it only really took $3 to buy and make this little light prism that we did, just using little cake cutters or cake scoopers, whatever they were. And also, the creme of the crop is right here, this little light prism thing, which I do highly recommend everyone to get. It's a great tool for your everyday photography, or to spice up your photography, to give it a different feel, as I talked about earlier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to check out the rest of my videos, feel free to do so, revolving around these photo challenge to kind of spice up our creativity. So go ahead and hit that like button if you like this video, and also feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace! So, Kevo tip number 1 of today, guys: don't film in front of a train station. That was a bad move. That wasn't smart.